Hi, my name's Joey.
And I'm Derek.
And we've been best friends since 3rd grade from PA Virtual.
Well, we were at a bowling outing and I was just sitting there, I was a little shy, and then she talks to everybody. So she came up to me saying, "What's your name? What do you do for fun?" And we both like playing video games.
So in the car before the bowling alley, my mom was like, "That guy walking in there, his name's Derek. He plays Fortnite. Like, you should go talk to him." So I was like, okay. So I spent the whole bowling alley trying to talk to him, and I finally mentioned Fortnite. And I think literally that same day, we went home and called and played Fortnite together.
We would just chat a lot on Snapchat and Discord and talk to each other while we would play games together. So at first we played Fortnite, then we started playing Minecraft together, and then we would just talk and watch videos and stuff just for fun.
The best part about being friends with Derek was when we were younger, we would go to his beach house. That was so much fun. We would stay up till 4 a.m. playing Fortnite, and then we would wake up 2 hours later and have breakfast and swim in the bay. That was a lot of fun.
I'd say probably one of the best things was when we won a volleyball tournament together. We got first place, and so yeah. Just really, I used to be super shy. I would not talk to nobody. Now, I can go up and talk to anybody. It's nothing. So it's literally just go up to somebody and just talk to them. It's not hard. Most of the things that you're worried about is just in your head. It's not that tight. Just go up to them and just, say what's up. Usually if you're at an outing, there's something that you guys have in common. So say you're playing kickball or something, talk about kickball, or just talk about anything and just get to know each other.
Everyone at PA Virtual is very nice. I don't think I've ever met a kid who's mean. So you go to an outing, you just walk up and talk to somebody, and chances are you're gonna end up being really good friends.
Probably, it's most likely just in your head. You just need to, get out of your own head and just relax and just talk to people, and just really, because I really used to be one of those people. I really would be super shy, super nervous. I wouldn't want to go anywhere with a lot of people. But then from going to outings and stuff like that, it made me more comfortable around a lot of people and new people and getting to know people.
Especially if you're doing sync classes with teachers, you already have 20, 30 kids who are in the same class as you. You get to make a lot of new friends, and especially since it's all of Pennsylvania, you get to figure out who lives closer to you by which outings everyone's going to, and you get to meet a lot of your friends in person just from the outings. And there's so many different ways you can make friends from our school.